Hi everyone, Maxine here, Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today I am showing the finished LapBook with a purpose. So I've just used this piece of, actually it's a scarf that I tear in strips. It works perfectly as a closure for journals and stuff. So I just put that on there. So this is pretty much finished. I mean, you could do some decorating and stuff like that if you wanted to. But open it up and like this. And am I in frame? Do I have the whole thing? I think I do for the most part. There's nothing on this one, so yeah, I think everything is in frame. So this is what I've done with mine based on what I want to put in it, which is some watercolor stuff. So here's the box that we made on video. And inside this box, I have my artist pad, which is a 30 pages. You know, it's a pretty substantial one. You know, I wouldn't have had to make such a big box if I was putting in, I don't know, maybe a smaller pad like this one. This one will fit too. So I made it a little bit bigger so I could get this in, and I could get other ones in too, as long as they're, you know, about the same size. And here I just found a inspiration for a sunflower that I might want to use as inspiration for a painting. And this box I made off camera. It holds my watercolors. So I can get this one in. I can get, you know, a smaller one in that I might want to take. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. So yeah, that works. And this I did not do on camera. So what I ended up doing for brushes, and over here I got a couple of pencils and another brush, is it's just elastic that I used Fabric Fix to glue down. And basically what it is just a piece of elastic that you fold over, and then you can sew it to make, you know, little places to put things. So here I have 3 brushes, and they're held in there pretty good. And then this side over here, these have smaller slits, so one pencil will fit and hold tight, and a brush. So anyway, that is mine. And I would love to hear what you have done for yours and what purpose you have made. And yeah, so leave a comment for everyone on, you know, your laptop or your LapBook with a purpose project and what your purpose is. So thanks for joining me for this little project. I hope you enjoyed it. We learned a lot in the process, so, you know, the next one will be even better. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, and until next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.